Doing the research is usually the most difficult and time consuming part of product creation. Once you've taken down your notes and you finish your research, it's time to start creating your product. And there are many ways to create a product. You could write an ebook, you could outsource it, you could create audio lessons, and so on. And what I do is I just create video lessons. For me, that's the fastest. I don't have to worry about sitting down and typing down a 10-page document. What I do is I type down or I brainstorm on the Word document a list of the topics that I'm going to be talking about in my video course. I try to brainstorm a list of, say, 10 topics at least, and then I talk about 5 to 7 of them, whatever you feel comfortable with, as long as you're providing quality content to your customers, because they are going to be spending their hard-earned money on your product. You don't want to sell them a piece of garbage. So you got to make sure that your customers are getting something out of your product. Okay, so that's one of the first things you do after you've done your research. You brainstorm a list of the topics for each video lesson in your product. Okay, and what I use is Camtasia to record the screen. If you can't afford Camtasia right now, you could do Google search for free software tools, video creation tools, or screen capture tools online. Okay, and so yeah, that's what I'm doing right now here. As you can see, I just use a Word document. You could use a PowerPoint if you want, but for me, I just try to be simple and try to make it as easy as possible. So what I'm doing here is creating a video, a screen capture of me talking about these notes that I've typed down on my Word document. Okay, I've got the title of the video topic here, creating your product. So as it says here, it's what I'm doing right now. Okay, so hopefully I've got my message across here, and this is the way I create my products. I'm not going to go into how to write your own ebooks or other types of products because that's just not what I do. So with that said, hopefully you learned something from this lesson and how easy it is to create your video lessons. Okay, so we're going to move on to the next video lesson here.